How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to make paper craft and we'll make elephant out of it. So materials you need are one square paper, one rectangle paper, one straw, two eyes
and 2 elephant teeth.
So we are going to make elephant out of this. Fold it diagonally, okay? So now we will cut this into half. Now we will have two rectangles and we'll take together and we'll fold them together. Now we will stick the straw. Now we will make ears, so you have to fold the paper like this on both the sides. We'll stick eyes. We'll mark elephant trunk with black sketch pen. And using black sketch pen, we will fold the paper like this. So paper will be folded like this. Now you have to. So your paper elephant is ready.